In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Slack. Keeping your profile photo up to date helps teammates recognize you quickly and makes your workspace feel more personal. These steps are simple and I'll walk you through them at an easy pace. First, head to slack.com in your browser. If you use the desktop app, the steps are the same. Sign into your workspace. If you're prompted, you'll land in your main Slack view. Look to the bottom left corner of Slack where you'll see your current avatar or a placeholder icon. Click it to open your profile menu. In the small menu that appears, choose Profile. This opens your profile panel on the right side of the screen, showing your name, title, and your current photo. On that panel, find the Edit button. It typically says Edit Profile. Click it to enter edit mode. You'll see fields you can change, but today we're focusing on the photo. Click your profile photo area to change it. Slack will offer the option to upload a new image from your computer. Select Upload an image. If you see that prompt, then browse to the picture you want to use. Choose a clear, well-lit headshot. Square images work best because Slack crops to a circle. A size around 512 by 512 pixels looks crisp without being too large, and common formats like JPG or PNG work well. When you've highlighted the file, click Open. Slack will show a preview with a crop tool. Drag to reposition and zoom until your face is centered and there's a little space around it. And this helps the image look good at small sizes next to your messages. When the preview looks right, confirm to apply the change. Depending on your workspace settings, the new photo may appear immediately across channels and direct messages. If you don't see it update right away, give it a moment or refresh Slack. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Avoid busy backgrounds and heavy filters. Simple, high-contrast images are easier for teammates to recognize. If you're representing a team or a role, consider a consistent background color so your avatar stands out. And if your organization has profile guidelines, make sure your photo follows them. That's it. You went to Slack, opened your profile from the bottom left, clicked Profile, chose Edit, and uploaded a new picture by selecting it and clicking Open. Your updated profile photo is now ready to go.